Oh, merhaba! Teşekkür, Izmir. Welcome to my tour here of my Airbnb, guys. I hope you're well. Let's get in here. This is a nice living room of this Airbnb. It's spacey. I like this apartment. It's so great. Yeah, get in. Come on, guys. So you see, it's modern. It's exactly the way how I like it. Contemporary, not much stuff. Simple.
Minimalist,
nice. Minimalistic, right? Exactly. That's the word I actually use. So you see, we have a very nice furniture here. Kemal is, by the way, the owner. He's a very nice guy. Everything works fine. Fantastic, easy communication with Skype and email.
Yeah, you are in Turkey, right?
Yeah,
Izmir.
I said it before. Turkey.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
You can hear that now, guys. Okay. Where we are actually here now, in Izmir exactly, we are in Bostanli. Yeah, this is a very nice, vibrating neighborhood. So I'm gonna show you a bit here on the street as well. We have here a covered balcony, but maybe love, you can show them a bit of the main street.
I think that one open.
Yeah, because here the apartment is actually located on the main road on Bostanli, and it's great, and it's.
Yes, you have like a coffee shop, restaurant and supermarkets over here, down there, Migros and another things. Is a relative quiet street, right?
Yes, no, it's fantastic because the two sleeping rooms are facing to the east. You don't hear anything from the streets. So here, this is the kitchen. Let's make a shortcut here. It's basically the second entry to the balcony. Yeah, what does has a Turkish kitchen? How does it look like?
Normal.
So we have a very nice fridge and freezer. There's not much stuff inside.
Yeah, that closed that.
It's boring. So gas oven, microwave, a regular oven.
Normal, it's a normal kitchen everywhere.
Nice kitchen, yeah.
But it's a very good one for Airbnb. It's a complete kitchen. It's not everywhere you find this, right?
That's correct, yes.
Because some places lack an oven or another things, or maybe a small fridge. Here, there is even a dishwasher.
Yeah, we have a dishwasher. Need to check this here then later. What else do we have here? We have a main hall, which is quite a long corridor. So on the other side here you have a toilet and a bit of a storage.
This is like a storage room.
Yeah.
They have here, which we don't touch. We don't need it. There is also another small toilet. Like, so it's two. Now you can say two toilets.
Yeah, we have two toilets here actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
so here we have. So look, this is the main bathroom.
Us guys, please don't mind the mess. Just to show a bit.
There's the showers behind the corner. Around the corner. And here we have both sleeping rooms. So that's the major one here on the left.
Yes. So they have here such a comfortable bed.
It's a fantastic mattress, isn't it?
Amazing, because I think the owners, they really used to live here, so it's not an apartment made only for renting.
No.
And there is another living room, which is like a sofa bed,
but it's a sleeping room. It's not
everything.
Yeah, well, you can use it as a.
Sorry, what I said, living room. No, it's a sleeping room. It's a sleeping room, guys. So here, the back, it's for another apartment, so it's very quiet during the night, which is fantastic. I love that. So even has like a baby chair over there.
Yeah, if you need to iron your clothes, you can do that. Everything is fully furnished. Here's another room, but it's locked.
Yes, I think they have their things over there. So this is I would say it's a very comfortable Airbnb, because what I love in this, and the people who really live in the places and they just for a reason abroad, or they just move maybe for work, which is the case of the owner here, I believe, that everything is comfortable. So you sit down in a couch, it is a proper couch, it is comfortable, the bed is wonderful, because they bought thinking on their own comfort and everything. They didn't do just an apartment for rent. That sometimes we miss this touch of like a home, a proper home in a place. So this place here, they have this touch of home. All these couches here, they are all very good. You can even work from these light chairs, and they are comfortable as a couch.
I mean, if you're into telly, I'm not that big in television, but you have a major a really
Yeah.
massive television here. And you have internet functions, so you're sitting here sometimes. You can.
Yes,
I don't
and
use that.
and they have a proper internet. They also have a proper kitchen, of course, wash machine, everything, but everything proper. You don't miss. We basically didn't need to buy anything extra for here. The bed sheets were very smelling good. You see, they take care good. So we totally recommend this to anyone coming to Izmir in Turkey to stay in a. Oh, look, I'm still saying bad words and a very good area.
No, it's a good area. Bostanli is a great area.
No, I want to say fucking good area, but then I said a very good area, and Bostanla and close to Mavi Shehir, Kasheka. It's very good here, very like central, full of coffee shops and restaurants, which we're gonna show you there a little bit the area, because you came to a point that we're just showing Airbnbs, we're not showing the area. So how can you know if it's good?
But you're gonna see that in the next video. However, if you wanna know more about that email, about this Airbnb, not our email. Oh my God, Marc. Good morning, wake up, yeah. About this Airbnb, down there is a link, exactly linked to this Airbnb here. So go check it out. If you ever will come to Izmir, stay here. We really highly recommend.
Yeah, the owner is lovely.
Fantastic, Kemal.
Yes.
If you ever would
very
see
good.
that
Thank
email,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you. So click here in the link. Register yourself on Airbnb and get your 25-35 euro discount on your first reservation. You just click and go to that. And if you have interest to check another Airbnbs as well, you can have a look. But we definitely recommend this area because it's a very residential area. We see if we go there now, maybe.
Yeah,
I think we're gonna go there now and show you a little bit, so you have an idea of the streets around and the supermarkets.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's do that.
It's better. So okay, guys, see you outside.
See you
Bye.
Bye bye.